Changing the Talker magazine follower and adapter to 9mm is very simple. It will require an adapter, new follower, an Astra 600 magazine spring, and a small thin screwdriver. To start with, take out your follower spring and the bottom catch by basically depressing the catch here, sliding the bottom of the magazine off, taking off the catch, the spring, and the follower. You will not need the spring, the follower, and the catch anymore. So you will have an empty magazine body and the bottom magazine cover. After that, assemble your new components. So put in the spring into the follower like this, and it will go into the magazine body like this. Attempt to put it in all together as a single unit. Sometimes you may have to hold it on the front here to make sure that the spacer goes in correctly. So once you push the spacer in, it will all come as a single component like this. Adjust the spring that it's behind the spacer. So there you go. Slide the bottom cover back on and make sure it is locked, and off to the races you go. So now you'll be able to use 9mm ammunition in your Talker pistol by adjusting your magazine. Thank you very much.